wanna dance, then step. I stomp you out and you get a free shot to your roof, and that's on the house. They take intellect, got my sight, send a mass of your silhouette. I get them wet, drip the lead, splash the steel on your dry ass delivery and trashy skills. You mad? Relax, be chill. I carved a smiley face on the bullet. That's a happy pill. Get this bitch with the pistol whip, put the butt to his mouth like cigarette smokers. My art official, you artificial. I hope you burn to death with your little ugly ass daughter with you. Motherfucker told me that you dope but you not. Your bar's clean but soft as cotton. That's soap in a sock. From day one, it's been apply pressure until the pipe burst. Don't waste time barking, attack and bite first. I'll turn that self-made hoodie into a V-neck tight shirt. You thought it was a bright idea till I smashed your bulb. Pussy, you light work. 38 flash, you pause and blink hoodie. Chamber spin like a dryer around who tosses shriek hoodie. From a strictly 150 caliber killing spree. This bitch be in my vicinity, he gon' feel the artillery. My boys, they get it infamy. Sin City infantry, open caskets for bitch asses. That's the Sin City chivalry. Your young ass was gonna scare cat straight, son? You ain't got the balls. This is a castration. You get the gas face when the Mac blazing. Your ass elevating, the impact is back breaking. You crack frame when you straight flew from them shots. No vaccination ahead. You got street cred like someone who talked to the feds. And this fake crip gon' CKs after I'm done stomping them red. What you